Here's how to add subtitles in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app, start a new project, and import your video. If you want subtitles to appear automatically, tap text at the bottom. Make sure to deselect your video by tapping the small arrow in the bottom left. Next, swipe to find Auto Captions CC and select it. Choose whether the subtitles should be generated from the video's audio or a voiceover. Then, pick the spoken language. CapCut can auto-detect, but English works here. Now choose a subtitle template. Some are paid, but free options are available. Once you select one, tap Generate to create captions automatically. This may take time for longer videos. After generating, press play to review. If needed, tap any text to edit it, adjust placement, or add punctuation. When you're satisfied, hit export, and your video with subtitles is ready. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.